In this video, we're going to have a look at the testimonials section of the website, and we'll also look at how we can link that testimonials section of the website to your Google business page, so you can give your testimonials a little bit more authenticity. So if we come to the More section over here, we'll have a look at the testimonials section of the website here, and the format for this is essentially quite nice and clean. We have the testimonial, an option to read more about that particular testimonial, and then a name and a date below that testimonial. Now you may also want to write into the name field here the product or service that that person is feeding back about as well. And then we have the date at the bottom here. So if we jump into the content management system, we can have a look at how the testimonials are set up. So you can see we have testimonials. We also have categories for those testimonials as well. But first of all, we'll jump straight into the testimonials section here. And you can see the three testimonials that we have. We have the edit ghosting, so to hide the testimonial, we have the option here, and then also the feature option, which we can toggle on and off by clicking the star here, and then the delete button across on the right hand side. So if we click edit here on this existing testimonial, you'll see we have the client name, the slug for that particular testimonial, and you may want to keep the name, or you may want to change that slug to something that relates to the product or service that they're feeding back about. We have an image of the person who's giving feedback if you have an image of them, and then we have the date, which you can either copy and paste in there or select from the little date box that pops up. You can select a specific date from here, and then we have the text box where we can type in or copy and paste in our testimonial. And then we have a rating that that person has given you. Then you have a rating that that person has given you. So if we go back to our main testimonials page, we'll click on Add Testimonial, and we're going to add a new testimonial here. So we'll type in a client name, and then we'll browse for an image. And then we have the testimonial that we're going to be pasting in here. We have a date set up already, so we can copy that and paste it into here, or we can select a date from the bottom here. If we come into the testimonial, we can copy and paste in that testimonial. Oh, and we can type in a rating that that person has given, and press publish. So you can see if we jump back to our testimonials page, we now have our new testimonial here with the date that it was posted, and we can click read more to see a little bit more about that particular testimonial. And then we have other featured testimonials listed below, which you'll see at the bottom of each of the pages. So if we come back to the content management system, we could feature all of these, and then whichever testimonial page we come to, we're going to see the main testimonial that we're looking at here, and then also a featured testimonial below, which we can click read more on to read the entire testimonial that that person has given. So now let's have a look at how we link this testimonial page to a Google business page. So if we come back into our content management system, here we're coming into the connect section, and we're going to link or connect to the Google reviews. So if we click connect here, what we want to type in here is the very specific address or name of that business that we're going to connect to. So I've brought up the Minuteman Press and Moose Jaw page here, and you can find this by coming to maps.google.com or searching for your business on Google, and we'll grab the name from here and right click and copy that, and then when we come into the content management system, we can paste that into the location and it will find that listing. So then we have the option to use this location for our review. So if we hit use this location, our page is now connected, And what will happen is the reviews will be populated. In the first instance, the latest 6 reviews will be posted into the testimonial section of the website, and then new reviews will be added one a day. You can add them manually as well, and we won't see them update live here because it takes a little bit of time. But once you've connected it, come back and check your website the next day, and you should see those reviews pop up on your testimonials page. And lastly, for someone visiting the testimonials page, they have the option to leave a testimonial across on the right hand side here directly, or if they leave a new testimonial on the Google business page, then you'll see that testimonial pop up after a little bit of time onto your website. So that's everything to run through here for the testimonials section of the website. And please do make sure you have a look at some of the other videos which will explain how to set up and work with things like the navigation bar, the pages, and the photo sections of the website, which are all really useful and important in keeping your website up to date.